Early Smart IELTS Prediction and 20-Day Study Plan. 15th November 2025, IDP and British Council, Computer and Paper-Based. Before you begin, join our Telegram group for free study material, daily speaking and writing updates, and reading PDFs. Visit our websites for full CBT mock tests, Band 9 sample answers, and updated cue cards. www.ieltsonestop.com, www.ieltsonestopcbt.com. Listening Practice Channel, YouTube Listening Channel. Overview. For the 15th November 2025 IELTS exam, expect moderate difficulty overall, slightly challenging writing and reading sections. Listening, trickier multiple choice and map labeling questions. Reading, more inference-based questions and true-false not given statements. Writing task 2, highly likely to be opinion or discussion essay type. Speaking, practice from the latest September to December 2025 cue card set, focusing on fluency, natural flow, and idea development. Expected cue cards. Describe a time when you taught something to someone. Describe an app or website you find useful. Describe a place you would like to visit in the future. Describe a happy memory from your childhood. Speaking tips. Focus on fluency and coherence, not memorization. Use linking phrases like actually, to be honest, speaking of that. Add feelings and personal examples in part 2. Revise part 3 question types, giving opinions, comparisons, and causes. Pro tip. Record your practice answers and compare with Band 9 samples on ieltsonestopcbt.com. Writing. Academic. Task 1. Process diagrams, line graphs, and occasionally bar charts. Task 2. Expect opinion essays, example, agree, disagree, or discussion plus opinion tasks. General training. Letters about requests, complaints, or invitations. Writing tips. Spend 2 to 3 minutes planning before writing. Follow a clear structure, introduction, body 1, body 2, conclusion. Use strong connectors like moreover, in contrast, consequently, etc. Paraphrase naturally and avoid repetition. Check grammar, articles, and punctuation in the final minute. Reading. Passage 1. Facts or information based, example, history, natural world. Passage 2. Matching headings and sentence completion. Passage 3. Abstract topic with inference or writer's opinion. Smart tips. Read the questions first, then scan the passage for keywords. Spend around 20 minutes per passage. Focus on synonyms and context clues rather than exact word matches. Review Cambridge 18 to 20 reading tests for realistic practice. Listening. Sections 1 to 2, easy to moderate, form filling, short conversations. Sections 3 to 4, more complex, focus on signposting words like however, on the other hand, as a result, etc. Be cautious with plurals, numbers, and self-corrections. Review common British accents and academic discussions. Practice sources. Cambridge IELTS 16 to 20 plus CBT listening tests on ieltsonestopcbt.com. 20-Day Smart Study Plan for 15th November 2025. Week 1. Foundation and Familiarization, Days 1 to 5. Attempt a full diagnostic test, all 4 modules. Identify strengths and weaknesses. Review grammar basics like articles, tenses, prepositions. Watch 2 listening tests daily from our YouTube channel. Learn 5 essay structures and topic-specific vocabulary. Week 2. Skill Development, Days 6 to 10. Attempt 1 listening plus 1 reading test daily. Analyze your errors and note paraphrases. Write 2 task 1 plus 2 task 2 essays. Record 2 speaking answers daily. Focus on pronunciation, tone, and natural linking words. Week 3. Intensive Practice, Days 11 to 15. Take full-timed tests under exam conditions. Revise cohesive devices and advanced connectors. Learn 30 high-level words, education, society, tech, health. Review feedback from peers or online groups. Week 4. Final Polishing and Simulation, Days 16 to 20. Attempt 2 full mock tests. CBT format, focus speed plus accuracy, review your error log, practice cue cards plus short answers for spontaneity. Final 2 days, light revision and rest, stay confident. Final smart strategies, don't start new topics 3 days before the exam, revise instead. Practice typing and timer management on CBT mock platform. Review sample band 9 answers on IELTS1stop.com. Sleep early, stay hydrated and manage stress. During exam, keep calm, stay focused and move on if you miss one question. Join our community. Telegram, join for writing, speaking and reading material. Websites www.ilts1stop.com, www.ilts1stopcbt.com. Listening practice, click to watch on YouTube.